Another Thursday means another live cop for y'all. This morning I tried going for the Travis's. I went for some Supreme tees, and I promised y'all I was gonna bring you the box logo live cop from last week, so I threw all that shit in this video. If y'all end up enjoying this one, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Might as well subscribe anyway, because we're doing a giveaway on this Iraq tee. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel and follow one.nori on Instagram. Make sure you DM me on there saying done or anything in order to confirm your entry for the giveaway. But with all that being said, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So we're gonna start this one off with this week for Supreme. I'm on the website, you feel me? I'm loading up, trying to get this shit to drop, and after a little minute it actually did. I went straight to the Doughboy tee. I told y'all I wasn't playing. This olive color was looking sexy. Add that to cart. I went to the Dylan tee and I saw this burgundy eggplant color. I'm like, yo, that shit's gas. Add that to cart. But then I went back to the Doughboy. I'm like, yo, I don't know about that olive. Let me just get it in black. Keep it real simple. At this point, I'm checking out, bro. Start adding my shit, boom, bang, Apple Pay, simplest way to pay. Low key sounds like a promo, but I'm processing $112 for 2 tees. Sounds crazy. But I ended up checking out on the eggplant Dylan tee and on the black Doughboy tee. I feel like both of these were solid. Honestly, I'm fucking with the eggplant color because I feel like it'll look clean with the Ama Meniere's 4s. Planning a future fit, but I go back to the shovel. I call my girl. I'm like, yo, should I cop that shit? She was like, nah. So you feel me? It's a dub. Then I'm on Sneakers app. Obviously this is before Supreme, but it is what it is. I'm on the Travis's. I'm trying to hit the join draw. Y'all already know how that goes. It took a little minute, bro. For the shit to load up, took like 40 seconds. I put my information in and the shit is still lagging. There was probably hella people trying to get them. I entered and I did all my shit at that point. I had to enter my CVV. Y'all already know how that goes, bro. Nothing too crazy, but after a little minute, it actually let me through. There's nothing to do at this point but to wait. Let me know in the comments if y'all ended up hitting on the Travis's. Y'all about to see what happened to me this morning. Yeah, shit was a L, bro. Much expected, you feel me? Can't do shit about it. It just is what it is, bro. This is the Supreme cops for the BOGO. Shit wasn't even loaded. For hella long, it just wasn't even there. Like, it don't make no sense. So I kept going back, refreshing, coming back, going in and out type shit. It just has a blank screen for the box logo. Like, what the fuck? Let me know in the comments if that was happening to y'all. So I go to the beanie. I'm like, yo, shit was sold out in the gram. I'm like, bruh, what the fuck? This shit glitched me to the box logo too, bro. Shit ain't make no sense. But I managed to get the brown in my cart. I'm like, alright, fuck it, bro. Let's try to check out on this shit. Put all my information in. Amount pending, you feel me? Double tap, boop, boop. Scan my face. All that shit's going through smoothly. I'm like, yo, I might have a chance. Sold out. What the fuck? Okay. Go back in. Payment method or some shit was saying I ain't have no money. Calling me a broke boy. But I knew I had money in there, so it's crazy, bro. I went back in for the brown, tried to process again, you feel me? We back in the building, scanning my face again, and listen, man, shit called me a broke boy once again, part 2. So I go back for the black color, add it to cart in a large, check out again, you feel me? We trying again. Third time's the charm type shit. Scanning my face, processing one more time. Broke boy times 3, bro. Shit's crazy. Like, it didn't make no sense. At that point, I'm like, fuck this shit. Going for the beanie. Let me just get the beanie at this point in any color. Any color, bro. I managed to add, I think it was the maroon, the cardinal color. Add that shit to my car. I'm like, alright, bro, fuck it. I'm low-key beat at this point. Scan my face one more time, this time not even for a box logo, and I'm processing, hoping that at least I get the beanie. This might have been my least favorite color or close to it, but it is what it is. We managed to get the Cardinal box logo beanie for retail. You feel me? Can't hate. It is what it is. I took a L for box logos. Yes, let me know in the comments if y'all cooked up. I know on the live, a lot of y'all was saying that y'all managed to hit. For me, I consider this a partial L. Can't complain too much because at least I got a beanie, but that's not what I was going for. It's not even the color of beanie I was going for, like, bro. But that's it for the triple live cop. I managed to get the Doughboy tee in black, Dylan Villain T in that eggplant color. I'm foreshadowing a fit with the I'm in your 4s. Y'all already know what happened with the Travises this morning. Big L's around the board. We even tried yesterday. I was low-key waiting for like 3 days for them shits to drop, and I still took a L. It is what it is. Then for box logo week, took a L on the BOGOs, managed to hit on the Cardinal beanie, which y'all will be seeing an unboxing for shortly. But that's pretty much everything I have for y'all today. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Make sure y'all subscribe anyway, because we got a giveaway going on. All you got to do is sub to the channel, follow one.nori on Instagram, and DM me on there saying done or anything to secure your slot for the giveaway. Also, comment down below what y'all cooked up this week, whether it's sneakers, Supreme, Palace tomorrow. But yeah, man, I hope y'all have a great rest of your day. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.